Hi guys, thank you for being here. This is my first YouTube channel and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. Alright, the phone I'm going to unbox today is the Samsung Galaxy A01. It's not a phone that a lot of people unbox because it's a budget phone. But here we go. This phone came out in 2020. Yep, the catastrophe year. That year was such a disaster. I know this review is a bit late because the phone came out last year, January, but somebody gotta do it, right? Alright. First thing you notice when you open the box is that there is a smaller box inside that contains like a few documents of the phone and instructions. Wow, there is the phone. The phone feels very comfortable on your hands because it has curved edges and it's really thin and light. The back of the phone has a dual camera setup and a speaker at the bottom. The left side has the volume buttons. The right side has the power button and the tray to put in your SIM and SIM card. The headphone gets plugged into the top. The charger gets plugged into the bottom. It has a good display with thin bezels and you can see the front camera in the middle. Inside the box you can see the charging brick with 5.0 volts output. Inside the box we have the charging cable, the pin to open up the tray, and the earphone. I'm glad we still have this on Samsung phones. The small box contains two brooches, one for the warranty and the other is for the setup guide. These are the specs of this phone. This phone is a 5.7-inch display with 720 pixels. The mass of this phone is 151 grams. The processor is a Snapdragon 439. The GPU of the phone is an Adreno 505. This phone comes in a 16 gig storage and also has a 32 gig storage version. The battery of this phone is 3000 amp hours. The data input is the USB-C. Thank you guys for watching my video. This is my first YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time.